here today with Alan Golding from APOS, and we're following up on a recent webinar. We were talking about new features and functionality of the APOS Publisher for Cloud solution. One of the big items that we talked about in that webinar was the move to be able to support multiple different platforms with the APOS Publisher for Cloud solution, and being able to support not only SAP Analytics Cloud and SAP Analysis for Office, which are key platforms within our customers, but now also being able to support Power BI, Tableau, and Google Looker use cases as well. We know that lots of customers have additional use cases that they want to address beyond their SAP use cases, but to go into these other platforms. We hear from customers all the time about these things. But Alan, maybe just a comment from you. I think some of the audience might be wondering about why these other platforms are needing these capabilities in the same way.
Yeah, exactly. So when it comes to scheduling, broadcasting, bursting, distribution of reports, multiple BI platforms have various types of limitations, especially cloud-based platforms. So limitations like limits on volume of schedules allowed, limits on data volumes, restrictions on allowed output formats, limits on the number of internal and external recipients, and also they often don't provide any kind of dynamic broadcasting or bursting distribution as well.
Right. Yeah, that's of course a pretty central theme. And so now being able to take those capabilities and move them into a situation where all of these platforms are supported is quite unique, to have a multi-platform report broadcasting solution. Very interesting, and I know lots of customers are looking for this. Architecturally, does this change much for customers?
No, so whether you're existing customers or new customers, it's the same publisher for cloud deployment that now provides support for all of those multi-platforms. No change in concept or architecture whatsoever.
Okay, and that broadcast recipient data, we know that's a key factor. That applies in the same way across all solutions?
Absolutely. So that broadcast recipient data can be used with any BI platform for dynamically controlling things like recipients or filter values.
Okay, great. We know that this is something that our customers have been asking for and are eager to hear and get using. So Alan, thanks for covering off today.